Home remedies for loose motion. In simple terms, loose motion means you are having watery stools that occur more frequently than usual. It is also known as diarrhea, which most people have experienced. It can be acute or chronic. This common problem occurs when the food and fluid you ingest start passing too quickly or in too large an amount through the colon. Along with frequent loose, watery stools, you may even have symptoms like abdominal cramps, abdominal pain, a fever, bloating and weakness. Due to having too frequent bowel movements, there may also be itching, burning, soreness or pain in the rectal area. There can be many reasons behind this sudden change in your bowel movements, including a viral infection, bacterial infection, parasitic attack, food poisoning, a side effect of antibiotics and lactose intolerance, to name a few. In most cases, loose motion lasts a couple of days. However, if it continues for a week or more, it is important to consult a doctor. It can be a sign of a serious digestive disorder. Plus, it can lead to dehydration and weakness, which is not good for your overall health. To reduce the frequency of loose motion and bring your bowel movements to regularity, there are many simple and easy home remedies. Here are the top 10 home remedies for loose motion. 1. Yogurt. Yogurt is a good source of probiotics, strains of bacteria that are similar to the healthy bacteria normally found in your digestive system. These bacteria help restore the good bacteria in your gut. This in turn helps fight the diarrhea-causing germs in your digestive tract. A 2010 study published in Cochrane Database of Systematic Reviews states that, when used alongside rehydration therapy, probiotics have beneficial effects in shortening the duration and reducing stool frequency in acute infectious diarrhea. When it comes to probiotics for diarrhea, yogurt is the best option. It promotes a healthy environment of microorganisms in the digestive tract for better digestion. Eat 2 to 3 cups of yogurt a day when suffering from loose motion. Other good probiotic foods include kefir, miso, kimchi, tempeh, and buttermilk, to name a few. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a great remedy to stop loose motion. This natural antibiotic helps cure diarrhea by killing the diarrhea-causing organisms in the intestine. Its high pectin content soothes the irritated lining of the colon. Plus, it helps maintain proper pH level in the stomach, which in turn helps restore regularity. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar in a glass of lukewarm water. Add a little honey and stir. Drink it 2 or 3 times a day until your condition improves. 3. Bananas. Both raw and ripe bananas can help treat diarrhea due to their pectin content. This water-soluble fiber helps absorb fluids in the intestines, which in turn helps add bulk to the stool. Being high in potassium, it even helps replace electrolytes that may be lost during diarrhea. A 2001 study published in Gastroenterology found that the pectin in green bananas is useful in the dietary management of persistent diarrhea. It can reduce the amount of stool, frequency of vomiting and duration of diarrhea, as well as reduce the need for oral rehydration solutions or intravenous fluids. Another 2012 study published in the Journal of Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry also confirms that intake of bananas is beneficial for people suffering from diarrhea. When dealing with loose motions, eat a ripe banana every few hours. You can even have ripe banana and yogurt smoothies, 2 or 3 times a day. Another option is to steam or boil a raw banana, mash it and then add a little lemon juice and a pinch of salt before eating. 4. Ginger. According to traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine, ginger is a good remedy for loose motion. It helps strengthen your stomach muscles and reduce food stagnation. This in turn stops loose motion. It even stimulates intestinal enzymes that promote proper digestion. A 2007 study by the American Chemical Society reports that ginger may combat deadly infant bacteria-induced diarrhea in developing countries. Add 1 tablespoon of minced ginger root to 1½ cups of water. Bring the water to a boil, cover and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and drink this tea 2 or 3 times a day. Alternatively, Mix together 1 teaspoon each of dried ginger powder, cumin powder, cinnamon powder and honey and have it 2 or 3 times a day. Note, those suffering from high blood pressure should avoid ginger in high amounts. 5. Turmeric. Another effective remedy is from your spice rack, turmeric. Its antibiotic nature helps fight bacteria that cause this annoying problem. This spice can even help keep your system working properly. A 2004 study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine reports that turmeric extract may improve irritable bowel syndrome symptoms. Diarrhea is one of the symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. Mix half teaspoon of turmeric powder in a glass of warm water. Mix it well and drink it fast, as the powder tends to quickly settle on the bottom. Drink this 2 or 3 times a day. Alternatively, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to 1 tablespoon of applesauce or yogurt. Take this 2 or 3 times a day. 6. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is also effective at treating various gastrointestinal problems, including loose motion. It has powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties that will destroy the harmful organisms in your stomach that cause diarrhea. It even stimulates the digestive enzymes that help move things smoothly along the digestive tract. Combine 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and half teaspoon of freshly grated ginger in a cup of boiling water. Cover and steep for 30 minutes. Drink this tea 2 or 3 times a day. Alternatively, add half teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1 tablespoon of honey to a glass of warm water. Mix it well. Drink it 3 times a day. You can also sprinkle some cinnamon powder on a banana or in applesauce or yogurt before eating for even more benefit.